Hey there, language learners! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the adorable world of baby vocabulary. From clothes and toys to fun facts that'll melt your heart, we're going to explore all things baby in a way that's easy and fun to learn. So grab your curiosity and let's get started.
Onesie.
Onesie.
This baby onesie keeps little ones warm all day.
This baby onesie keeps little ones warm all day.
Baby shoes.
Baby shoes.
These baby shoes are perfect for first steps.
These baby shoes are perfect for first steps.
Pacifier.
Pacifier.
The pacifier helps calm the baby quickly.
The pacifier helps calm the baby quickly.
Baby bottle.
Baby bottle.
The baby bottle is ready with warm milk.
The baby bottle is ready with warm milk.
Diaper.
Diaper.
It's time to change the baby's diaper.
It's time to change the baby's diaper.
Baby blanket.
Baby blanket.
The baby blanket keeps the little one cozy.
The baby blanket keeps the little one cozy.
Stroller.
Stroller.
The stroller makes outdoor trips easy.
The stroller makes outdoor trips easy.
Rattle.
Rattle.
The baby loves playing with the rattle.
The baby loves playing with the rattle.
Baby hat.
Baby hat.
This baby hat protects from the cold.
This baby hat protects from the cold.
High chair.
High chair.
The baby sits in the high chair for meals.
The baby sits in the high chair for meals.
Thank you so much for watching all the way through. I truly appreciate it. Before we dive into more adorable baby stuff, let me share a few cute facts about babies that will absolutely melt your heart and maybe even surprise you. Did you know that babies can recognize their mother's voice before they're even born? And while they cry from the moment they arrive, their tear ducts don't fully work for the first few weeks. So those early cries come without tears. Here's a wild one. Babies are born with more bones than adults, around 270. They're also obsessed with faces. From birth, they naturally focus on faces more than any other shape. And yes, those dreamy little smiles during sleep, they're real, called reflex smiles, and they're just the cutest thing ever. Let's keep going and explore more baby essentials, from clothes and shoes to the tiniest accessories that make parenting magical. Stick around, because it's about to get even cuter.
Baby bib.
Baby bib.
The baby wears a bib during mealtime.
The baby wears a bib during mealtime.
Crib.
Crib.
The baby sleeps safely in the crib.
The baby sleeps safely in the crib.
Teether.
Teether.
The teether helps when the baby's gums hurt.
The teether helps when the baby's gums hurt.
Baby wipes.
Baby wipes.
Baby wipes are handy for little messes.
Baby wipes are handy for little messes.
Baby lotion.
Baby lotion.
The baby lotion keeps skin gentle and fresh.
The baby lotion keeps skin gentle and fresh.
Baby carrier.
Baby carrier.
The baby carrier makes it easy to walk around.
The baby carrier makes it easy to walk around.
Playpen.
Playpen.
The baby plays happily inside the playpen.
The baby plays happily inside the playpen.
Stuffed animal.
Stuffed animal.
The stuffed animal is the baby's favorite toy.
The stuffed animal is the baby's favorite toy.
Baby shampoo.
Baby shampoo.
The baby shampoo is gentle for bath time.
The baby shampoo is gentle for bath time.
Swaddle.
Swaddle.
The swaddle helps the baby sleep peacefully through the night.
The swaddle helps the baby sleep peacefully through the night.
Thank you so much for watching until now. I truly appreciate you being here. Before we finish this lesson, let me share a few more cute facts about babies that will melt your heart and maybe even surprise you. Did you know that a newborn's sense of smell is incredibly strong? They can recognize their mother's scent within days, even before they recognize her face. And that tiny bundle grows fast. Most babies triple their birth weight by the time they turn 1. Even at just a few weeks old, babies start mimicking facial expressions, like sticking out their tongue or flashing a little smile. They also love high-pitched voices. That sweet baby talk tone actually helps them focus and learn language faster. And here's a fun one. A newborn's heartbeat is super fast, around 120 to 160 beats per minute, nearly double that of an adult. Isn't that amazing? Let's keep going and explore even more baby gear and fun facts that make parenting such a joyful adventure. And that's a wrap on today's lesson, language learners. I hope you had fun and learned something new about the tiny humans that bring so much joy to the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of cuteness and learning. Thanks for watching. See you next time.